This is a DTMF controller. It was taken out of a pumper unit for a farm, for a pig farm, where the DTMF unit would control, as you see here, we got 4 different relay setups, and this controller would control pumping liquid manure out on the farm, control throttle, speed, and pumping on and off functions. We got latching relay set up here and 2 more here. That was all controlled by this homebrewed DTMF board. Really great job done by whoever did this. Appears back in the 1990s or something like that. Well, this unit has failed. The unit got full of water and the radio was destroyed. So we're going to replace that with this DTMF controller connected to a Kenwood radio. Since I can't be at the farm site, I've had to develop some type of test unit so I could verify that the unit is working, and this will be actually taken out to the farm machinery, and we'll plug this into the unit so we can verify what the status is of each of the control wires. We've got a obviously we've got red and black for positive and negative, and then we got a blue control, a yellow control, and an orange control. Well, out of the old unit, the only thing I could verify for certain was that the yellow wire and the orange wire both went negative when they were triggered. The blue wire I cannot duplicate because that part of the circuitry is completely gone. And so this test box will give whoever goes out to the site the ability to see what the unit is doing. So here we'll do a trigger. The DTMF is controlled by buttons 1, 2, 3, and 4. As you can see on the relay setup, relay 1 corresponds to button 1 on DTMF. Button 2 is non-active, button 3 is the blue wire, and button 4 is the yellow wire. The yellow wire is set up for a 15-second latching relay, whereas 1 and 3 are set up for momentary relay. So now, using the radio, I'll show what happens. The flashing light is going to just designate to the tech that he's got power on the entire circuit. The red and green lights will indicate red for positive trigger and green for ground. So when the tech sees red and green are lit up, that'll indicate that he has power on the circuit. So now by pressing button number 1 on the radio, I'm showing that the circuit is going high, therefore the red light is lit up. Same with circuit number 3, or button number 3, which is the blue wire. That one is going to ground, so green becomes the lit up while DTMF is pressed. And then button number 4 latches for 15 seconds, and after 15 seconds the red light should come back on, indicating that the circuit is back in standby mode. There we go. So that means that this relay is released. So there you go. You got a DTMF controller that can control up to 4 different items, and simply by programming the DTMF on any Kenwood radio, you can control any type of unit to do whatever function you need. Thanks.